Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to make a chocolate house. I'm not just making a chocolate house, okay? We'll make an ice cream, chocolate and fruity ऐसा कुछ house बना देंगे, and we'll make 4 friends playing. I'm making 4 friends playing, you know why? Because there was a girl, Sanvi Vichare, who has asked me to make 4 friends since Friendship Day is coming. So what we are starting is with the cherries. Cherry is very simple. You just have to draw a circle and this. After this, what we will do is first we'll make a structure of the house. So this is the structure. Then it will go like that. First, let's make the structure. Otherwise, it will get confusing. Even I'll get confused and so will you. So this will be the structure of our house. If you're not able to see, I need to take a little darker pencil. Let's see. Okay, I've taken a little darker pencil. So this is the cherry, children. Okay, over here what we are going to do is, you know these candies which come वो ऐसे stripes वाली होती हैं. They are chocolate candies with white stripes. Or should I make it with the, I'll do it with a sketch pen, don't you worry. So we have made this, and this is dipped in a chocolate donut sort of, okay, we'll make a donut rather. So this is inside the donut, this is a donut, and now we are having cream here. So cream के लिए क्या करने का, we just have to make 2 lines and then keep on making such swirls. Okay, similarly what we'll do is we'll make this, and then what we are supposed to do is make a swirl like that, then close it, then again make a swirl like that, again close it, then again make a swirl like that, again close it, and again you make a swirl. This will be the end wala. No, we will continue the swirl till here. So similarly here you will make a swirl, S, then you have to close it, then again C, swirl in an S shape, then again C, swirl in an S shape, and this keeps on continuing till here. Let us finish it till here, and we will continue it from here. A swirl. This is the cream, you know, in the cakes you get the cream. Now I don't remember how the cream comes, but I'm trying to do as best as I can. So this is the swirl cream. Okay, अभी इधर हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ऐसे चेक्स बनाएंगे, वो जैसे, अच्छा इधर भी हम लोग कर ही देते हैं swirl से क्रीम, swirl से क्रीम, अदरवाइज हमको समझेगा नहीं ना इधर क्या करना है. सो इट इज़ दैट, वो कौन से वो लोग केक के आजू बाजू जो बनाते हैं ना वो. अभी इधर जो पार्ट है ना वो हम लोगों को, वो जो हमारा होता है क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कोन आइसक्रीम के नीचे का बिस्किट जो होता है ना, वील ट्राई टू मेक इट इन दैट मैनर. सो लेट्स मेक इट ट्रायंगुलर इन शेप. करेक्ट, that is triangular in shape. So let's make doubly lines and I'll show you the shading how it is to be done. अभी इधर हम लोग बनाएंगे जेम्स होती है ना, जेम्स की खिड़कियाँ. तो ये हम लोग पहले खिड़की बना देते हैं ऐसे, उसको ऐसे डबली कर देते हैं और 4 में डिवाइड कर देते हैं. तो इधर जेम्स वाले कलर आ जाएंगे. टिकड़ियाँ टिकड़ियाँ टिम टिम ऐसा ऐड आता है ना, ऐसे टिक टिक टिम टिम. So this is again a biscuit. This will be gems. Okay, here we shall make a candy. थोड़ा टेढ़ा हो गया. I don't know even whether you all are able to see, because I'm making it the white and red candy, which is usually we use it. I use this part mainly for this, what do you call, now you just have to make a dash, twang. This is the darwaja. Christmas times, I'm talking about the Christmas times. Now again this will be the candy wala, aise ice cream types. Then we will have the door, which is the strawberry door. Okay, this will be the strawberry door. Then again this will be the creamy part. कई कई से क्रीम ऐसे लटकती हुई है ना, ऐसे. So I made the chocolate house with fruits. Okay, let us make these candies as well. ये कैंडीज, फिर इधर जो हम लोगों का क्रीम होएगा. अभी मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है यार. तुम लोग ऐसे ऐसे ड्राइंग्स मेरे से मत बनवाया करो, ठीक है. ये ऐसे इधर दरवाजे पे जाके ख़त्म हो जाएगा, फिर इधर दरवाजे से हम लोगों का अलग से ही चॉकलेट की नदी बहेगी. ओके, अभी ये चॉकलेट की नदी हम कौन सा, अभी इसमें हम लोग कलरफुल जेम्स रखेंगे, ठीक है. ये ग्रीन पार्ट होएगा ना, ग्रीन क्रीम के अंदर कलरफुल जेम्स, एंड देन वील मेक फ्यू चिल्ड्रन प्लेइंग हियर. So we'll start with making the children playing. So what we will do is you, okay, you, then I'll just make the position and then I will start doing the coloring part. It is number 11. बंद किया. अभी इस लड़की या नहीं, लड़की के हाथ ऐसे कर देते हैं. You can make लड़की, you can make लड़का. The only difference is of the hair. So I'm making girls because it was, so this can be a boy as well as a girl. अगर बॉय है तो ऐसे शेंडी बना के थोड़े से बाल ऐसे कर देना. ये गर्ल है तो हम लोग इसके बाल थोड़े से नीचे लटका देते हैं. Now they're all playing in the garden. So let's make the pants. This is the shoe. The shoe goes like that, and this is the other leg. A simple drawing, children. You all don't have, we just have to make it colorful, that's it. Keep that in mind and do it. Okay, and then we will make the same eyes, nose and lips essay. So, okay, a hand. So from here you have to go take a turn here and essay. I'm just making a banda muthi for her. So this is one girl which we have made. The eyes and nose are still to be done properly, which I'll do it. Okay, now this one is here, and we will put a candy or a, what you call, lollipop in her hand. Okay, then there is a boy, or no, we'll make girls, correct, I forgot. We'll make girls. So there is a small little girl sitting here with curly hair. Now children, if you all wish, you all can make boys instead. The whole procedure will be the same except for the hair part. Remember that. So this is a Chimukli girl sitting, and she has a lollipop here, a big lollipop. So we'll have to rub few parts here. Sitting down, hiding and having her lollipop. So we just have to make this legs. Let's make the legs first, then we will make the body. Now the body will come like that, because she is hiding, and the sleeves will come from here and her hand will go inside here. So she's sitting on a muffin. We can make that. She's sitting on a muffin and she's having her lollipop, correct? So this is the muffin, and we'll make one more girl. My gosh, अभी मेरी एक और लड़की नहीं आएगी, मेरी ड्राइंग बुक छोटी है. So Sanvi, if you can make one more girl yourself somewhere, or I'll just try if I can do it. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to give one more lollipop which is going inside her mouth. Okay, I'm making the hands first because you all are supposed to make the hands first. Okay, and so, and she is the Motula girl. No, we'll not make her so much Motula. The chubby girl, we'll just make her so much. Okay, she's having lollipop, and let the other hand go somewhere in the air and let the dress come here. So this is her dress, or we'll make it like that. Let's see. And here goes her legs, and this leg is here. I think so. She's walking, and she's having a gala time, having her lollipop, and she's walking. So I made 3 kids here, that means 3 friends here. And where else can I make one more? I am confused, but we can always do here. She's coming from here. So this is the friend who's coming with, let's make her. Do you all know one thing, that the what you call the mountain climbing day and the friendship day is coming on the same dates. So if you all wish, you all can do one thing is, I'll make her running away nahi, she's running and bringing something, or let's see where the hand goes. So let her hand go like that. Okay, उसकी मम्मी ने परमिशन दे दी, and she's running and coming to all the children. So we are just making her position like that, and she's my little Tejaswi. I usually make this cartoon. So 1 2 3 4 friends in a chocolate house. I'm not making trees, but yes, I'm making the sun. And I told you, as we are making the sun, we'll make the sun in a very different way, where we'll do dashes like that, and tuk diamonds. Okay, so this is the way we are going to make our friendship day ka. If you cannot see this, just give me 2 seconds. I will just do the sketch pen part, and I'll wait for 2 minutes for you all to see. If you all want, you all can even remove a screenshot and do it. Okay, just give me few seconds. Okay children, see, whatever I have drawn, I have just sketched it so that you all can see it very clearly. अभी मैंने क्या किया, मैंने थोड़ी सी स्केच पेन्स लिया. क्यों, मैं बताती हूँ. पहले मैं ग्रीन स्केच पेन लूँगी, क्योंकि ये जो हमारा पार्ट है ना, ये ग्रीन है. दिस इज ग्रीन पिस्ता क्रीम, करेक्ट. So I'm just making it green with my sketch pen, and then I'm going to make a little bit of gems in it. Gems are the flowers. Okay, so we can do this very quickly with the sketch pen. Now there is so much of minute part. Because there is so much of minute part, I have decided that हम लोग कुछ sketch pen से करेंगे, क्योंकि एकदम झाड़िया जो part होता है, मतलब जो छोटे छोटे parts होते हैं, it is very difficult to do it with a oil pastel color, because oil pastel colors are झाड़िया like तनु आंटी. ओके, तो वो हर जगह फिट नहीं हो सकते. अभी तुम लोग तो छोटे छोटे बच्चे होते हो, तुम लोग स्केच पेन्स और पेंसिल कलर्स जैसे होते हो, किधर भी फिट आ सकते हो. तो मैंने सानवी विचारे 4 लड़कियां बना दी है फॉर द फ्रेंडशिप डे इन अ चॉकलेट हाउस विच वॉज आस्क्ड बाय, आई थिंक सो, आई डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम अभी. सो दिस इज द pista cream, the green elaichi cream. You find elaichi wala biscuits also where you have green cream. So we are going to make different things in a very different colors, and be careful while you are coloring, because there are minute parts. We have already made 1 2 3 figures, 4 figures in a short as a book along with the house. So it might take a little while to color, but you should not get disheartened. Keep coloring. Now this is such a bright color, correct. Green sketch pens are bright colors. Because it is a bright color, I am using it. अभी ग्रीन और किधर नहीं करेंगे, अगर करना होगा तो करेंगे. अभी ये जो वाइट क्रीम है, हम वाइट क्रीम को ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे. वी विल नॉट कलर इट. ओके, नाउ आई एम टेकिंग माई रेड पटक पटक, और ये जो कैंडीज़ है ना, जो हम लोग यूजुअली क्रिसमस में बनाते हैं, इसको भी वाइट रेड, तो वाइट को हम लोग छोड़ देंगे और रेड पार्ट को कलर कर देंगे ऐसे. तो ये हमारे कैंडीज़ हो गए रेड कलर में, ठीक है. और ये हमारी चेरी है, उसमें भी एक ऐसा गोल और एक ऐसा करके बाकी की चेरी को हमको रेड कर देना है. Okay, so this is done red. Now we can put red 1 2 gems as red. You can use fluorescent color, you can use yellows. See, use bright colors because ओए मैंने सारे येलो ओए की कर दी भी है, मैंने बहुत सारे येलो कर दिया. अच्छा ठीक है, मैं उसके ऊपर ऑरेंज कर दूंगी तो भी चलेगा. सो ऑरेंज तो हो जाएगा. तो ये एक ऑरेंज, ये एक ऑरेंज. Use nice vibrant colors, and vibrant colors are of course sketch pens, and you can color the dresses also very vibrantly with these sketch pens. Nowadays children are using what you call brush pens. You all can use brush pens also to do it. So you can use for their jutta or anything like which can be done more betterly with the. Now we can make this girl's pants with sketch pen. And why unnecessarily use and we might use orange color wear. Okay, this one's shoes are orange in color. Then we can use fluorescent color for the entire dress of this girl. I like fluorescent colors because they shine a lot. So ऊपर भी और थल्ले भी फ्लोरेसेंट के साथ लाइट ब्लू अच्छा लगेगा, ऑरेंज अच्छा लगेगा. Okay, we'll use this light blue color for the shoes and for these parts. Okay, and her chocolate is, we'll have to use some light color, yellow. Chocolate is yellow candy. Okay, so we'll make the top of this with, we cannot use fluorescent now. We might use orange stripes for this girls, or we'll color it orange. Stripes will not look nice, so we are coloring this orange. Okay, we'll color this girl's dress blue. You can color it completely blue, or you can give us some designs like on the top I'm giving a little bit of design. You can do anything you all wish. Clothes designing, you all can become a good fashion designer and do so many things. And now I'm using, red and orange will not look that good, and I'm left with no colors, and I don't want to do it fluorescent, so let me do it red as well. So this one's dress is red. Okay, and the lollipop, I took a hop to the shop to buy my favorite lollipop. See the big stick and the red top. I'll soon put it in my mouth and finish it. Plop, plop. So this is the muffin which we have made, and the muffin is brown. I have already used brown, so let me use a blueberry muffin. No, the blue color is okay, but I have already used it, so I can't help it. So itna ho gaya. Now let's jump to the house. Now while we are jumping to the house, what we are going to do is we are going to use brown color. This is the chocolate house. The front part is made up of Cadbury chocolate with little bit of vanilla cream along the sides. Okay, so this is my chocolate house. This is the vanilla cream. Again I have the chocolate part coming down, then again the vanilla cream, and then the chocolate. I don't have light brown, otherwise I would have used it. Okay, so I've done my chocolate house. The front part is chocolate, and the door is the strawberry toe. The strawberry toe with the cherry topping. See, you can see the cherry. So with the cherry topping, so it is a little red, and we'll shade it with yellow, orange. So this will be the door. Okay, now again we'll take a little bit of brown, and we will make the candy with brown. Where else can we use brown? No, we shouldn't use brown anywhere. Now yes, the khidkiya I said we'll make of gems, so let's do that. One color, and we have to color our Surat Chacha also yellow, bright yellow. So I'm using my fluorescent color here to color my Surat Chachu. Okay, Then I'm using orange here and orange for these parts, the sun rays. You can take your time, children, and do each and every part एकदम आराम से. Even I am not bothered because I usually do it very slow. अभी और क्या कर सकते हैं? Okay, now I'll make one red gems here and one light blue gem. So gems can be colorful, correct? So we can make this colorful. Now I'll show you how to do this candy part. Now this will be done either with pencil colors. If you all are having pencil colors, fine. If you all are not having pencil colors, then also fine. Just give me 1 second till I remove all my pencil colors. Okay, so now we'll take the lightest. We don't want this, we don't want this. We see that we have the lightest or the buff color. The buff color for this part. I'm using my oil pastels. I just love them. I cannot live without them. So this is the buff color part which is done. Even here we are going to do the buff color, the between parts. ओके उसके बाद हमने की करना है ये जो भी है ट्रायंगल जो बनाया उसमें हमको इधर ब्राउन करना है और वी हैव टू पुल इट आउट विथ अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अदर ब्राउन. सो व्हाट एम आई डूइंग इज just on the buff color I'm putting a little shade of this brown, otherwise it will not look that good. Okay, so only a little shade of this. Now I'll take my dark brown and start coloring the upper part with dark brown. They are minute parts, children. Because they are minute parts, you need to do it with either a pencil color or a sketch pen. I don't have so many sketch pens, so I have decided to use my pencil colors instead. So I'm just using my pencil colors to give a bit of shading to this part. So this is the ice cream cone which we have made. Don't bother much, keep going. Okay, so this is the ice cream cone, and I think so we should give a little more emphasis to this part, so I'm just doing it again. This will be the white cream. You can make it any other cream which if you all wish. अभी हम लोग chocolate brown लेंगे. I've taken my oil pastels and I'm making my donut which is brown on top and white below. Okay, now I'm going to use a lighter shade for this part. This is again the biscuit, but the biscuit has to be a little differently shaded. So just this is the chocolate, this is the biscuit. काश हम लोग ऐसे घर में जाते, जब भूख मन किया ऐसे चॉकलेट खा लेते. वाह वाह वाह, मज़ा आ जाती मज़ा. Okay, what we will do is, I just keep this aside. We are going to make chocolate की नदी here. Okay, so we are using my red color for this खिड़की. And now I will just have to, because ये लड़की ऐसे पानी के अंदर मतलब चॉकलेट के अंदर पैर रख रही है तो थोड़ी सी भद्दी लगेगी. इसमें ब्राउन you have to make this really very careful. So this is the chocolate nadi. Okay, and since she's put her leg in the chocolate nadi, थोड़े से splashes आ रहे chocolate nadi से, है ना, ऐसे बना देते हैं, थोड़ा सा कुछ अलग करते हैं. Okay, अभी what you are supposed to take is your chocolate colored, children, and patkan jhatkan, you all can do this. This is your chocolate nadi. Do your borders first, and after you do your borders, you just have to color the entire thing brown. I think so this is so matching that we will not even understand. Anyways, it's okay. So this is the chocolate nadi. Do you want any white cream to be there inside? I don't think so. I love chocolates. I can just and lick it. ना कितना मजा आता ना अगर ऐसे ऐसे करके ऐसे चाट लेते तो मजा आ जाती. I'll just have to remove a little chilk of it. So this is a chocolate house, children, full of candies and chocolates, and chocolate की नदी बह रही है. बट आसमान को हम लोग चॉकलेट का कुछ नहीं करेंगे. Let the sun be as it is and let the sky be as it is. Quickly we'll just color the skins also, which we haven't done it yet. तो स्किन को भी फटफट कलर कर देते हैं. So this is a chocolate nadi, and just besides this chocolate nadi we have our chocolate house. So uh-oh. It is such fun. सपनों का घर है ना, सब बच्चों के सपनों का घर होता है. जिसको कभी मफिन्स मिल जाए, कभी आइसक्रीम मिल जाए, किसको नहीं चाहिए, सबको चाहिए होती है. कोई ऐसा एक भी बच्चा नहीं होएगा जिसको ये सब चीज़ें नहीं पसंद होगी. Now quickly what we will do is, first let us color the skins very lightly, children. Don't emphasize much on the skin, but you will have to color the skins. मैंने ड्रेसेस जानबूझ के उससे की है because I know कि वो कलर ब्राइट होते हैं. These oil pastels are bright, sorry, sketch pens are bright colors, so I have made them. Now the shoes is forgotten. I have to do orange in the shoe. पीछे का शू बेचारी का रह गया, उसकी रिबन रह गई और उसका ये भी रह गया. अभी भी उसका फेस और गला रह गया. कुछ ना कुछ तो हम भूल ही जाते हैं. ओए अब भी अच्छा है, ब्लू कर देती. So done. Now what I do is completely color the blue. Just give me a second and I will just show it to you. Touch करके, okay? Okay children, see what I have done. I have just colored the sky blue and our chocolate house is ready with blue, green and browns, and there are few children playing. You all can just write happy friendship day for your friends and post this card. You can make it as a flipper card and post it to your friends saying we wish we could all go to a chocolate house and enjoy a picnic if there was no lockdown. So you all can make this and post it for your friends, or you can just make a chocolate house that is your dream house. That's the most common topic, your dream, which comes in competitions. So please do this and post it on Canvas and Scissors. I'll wait for your entries. Bye bye.